Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Lively, Ontario, a community just west of Sudbury. Lively was established in the 1950s as a planned community to house workers for the nearby Creighton mine. It was named after Charles Lively, a respected mine superintendent who worked for Inco for 35 years, including 25 years at Creighton. The town quickly developed with homes, schools, parks, and local businesses to serve its growing population. Its history is closely linked to the mining industry, but over time, Lively has also become a great place for families and outdoor enthusiasts. The area offers easy access to lakes, trails, and recreational facilities year-round. Whether you're visiting for a day or thinking about staying longer, Lively offers a warm welcome and a strong community spirit. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Lively, Ontario. Thanks for watching.